Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now I want to go to the thrift store. By the way, it's another moving vlog because oh gosh, it's the last one though. Like for myself, I need to get my life together. But anyway, I want to go to the thrift store right now because I want to see if they still have the chairs that I had spotted a while back. I want to lay by them because they're not expensive, so I could actually just pay them once off. But there's other things I need to do, A, and B, I also want to focus on my bedroom first. But these chairs I really like, and I would like to just secure them before they get chopped up. So yeah, let's head over there and then we'll go back to my place to drop off some other things and take it from there.
Anything from 500 rand up to 1,000 rand is for 1 month.
Okay.
And then it's half deposit. And anything over 1,000 rand, we've normally got two prices on the tag. You'll see, we'll say a cash price or a lay-by price, and then we divide it into 3 installments.
Okay. All right. Updates. This is how my space is looking so far. I still have like a whole bunch of random things here, but it's not too bad, I believe. Also guys, my plants are just not doing well at all. So oh, she's actually looking better. She's looking so much better. Winter girl, you got this. Let's go check on Skylar. I also still have these in boxes. Let's go check on Skylar. Oh, guys, I just wanted to show you. I don't know what Skylar is doing, but Skylar is giving birth to twins. I'm so excited. I've never seen this before. Let's continue to move up some stuff. Guys, as you can see, I still have like a lot that I need to do, like a lot. But it's so much better than what it was. Like, shout out to Bianca who helped me move in. Yeah, she was really great. Like, we did so much even though it doesn't seem like it. Like, when she left, this place was completely clean, like completely sorted, everything. And then obviously I came back, I added more stuff that my sisters had, things that I'd forgotten at the old place. Oh gosh, just give me a few more days. Just a few more days and then I'm settled. Oh, this is sweet. So yeah, another thing I actually forgot to mention to you guys is that I actually decided not to get the couch that I was actually really excited for. I decided that I'm actually not gonna get it, only because when I got there, my second option it didn't look as cute as what I thought it would be, or it wasn't as cute as what I remember it to be. So I was like, okay, if my second option is not as cute as I thought it was, maybe I'm bit too excited about my first option. Like, maybe I have like these excitement goggles going on, I don't know. So I was just like, take a step back, let's just chill, let's not be in a rush to spend money we don't even have. let me actually focus on my bedroom like I wanted to do in the first place, and then maybe just put money aside for the lounge and just more on the journey of like curation and thrifted and really eclectic, thoughtful furniture and decor, because that's what I want my space to be. I just want it to be 100% me and thoughtful, and if that takes even longer than what I'd like it to take, that's okay. That's okay too. But yeah, hey guys, so it's a new day. It's the next day. As you guys saw yesterday, I was literally man down. Yeah, I just couldn't. I just woke up feeling so horrible that I just could not go on about the day, and I really wanted to be productive yesterday. Today I'm trying to be productive as well, but like I just had such like I had a good morning. Like I woke up feeling fine, feeling ready, and then as I wanted to start my day, it's like little things that just started really getting annoying. So I got this plate. I was just really drawn to the color. First of all, it looks a little bit gray on camera, but it has a lot more of a blue tint, like very pale blue. And I just like the little imperfections and the fact that like not every plate is the same. I also got them because you guys already saw these in like my previous video, so I really love this plate so much, guys. After my mom saw that I bought these, she went to Westpac and got me some items that she thought I would like, and 100% I love them. So yeah, she got me these side plates. I really like these, and then these serving dishing bowl things. So I really like this one. Like I'm obsessed with these colors and these, what's mandalas? I'm not crazy for this one. I don't think they quite got this one right. But yeah, it's okay. And then I don't know if you guys are familiar with these. I've never really like done a video showing them off, but I got these from China Mall like 2 years ago. They're like these mugs, but I like using them for soup. Then I have another serving mini bowl over here. I also really like the detail on this. I think this one's my favorite in terms of like the details. She also got me these bowls. So I was gonna like not buy any bowls because I thought, okay, I have these two. I love this one. Like it's so gorgeous, because like I have these two so that I might not need others, but then I realized that these are quite deep. So I wanted something a little bit bigger and a bit more shallow. So then I went and I got these ones. I just got them plain. I have these. I got these from Mr. Price a while back, as well as these. So yeah, so right now I just took everything out so that I can figure out how to store everything in a way that makes sense to me. I figured this would just have to be like all my serving stuff. I also need to get a step stool, because how on earth am I gonna get up there? I don't know. I must say, guys, I regret buying this thing. Because I'm not even a bread person. Not like that. And let me see how the space would look without it. Okay, wait. So this is how the corner looks now. And then this is how the corner looks now. I think I prefer it without it, hey? But now it looks awkward. Let me try something quick. Sorry, I had to carry you guys around with my tripod. Okay, I kind of like how having this face outwards like this. Sorry, I forgot. So I kind of like how this looks facing outwards, or maybe I should put it in this corner. Yeah, that corner makes a little bit more sense. But now this actually looks awkward. I actually didn't want this kettle to be over here. I originally wanted the kettle to be this side. Let me just move all of this. I don't want this here. I definitely do not want this here. I'm not a fan of like matching kettles and stuff. I just bought it because I really liked the kettle. And then I wanted the kettle just right here. I just wanted to have the kettle there with my salt and pepper, and then I wanted that to be there as is without this. Okay, how does that look? I don't know, let me know. I'm gonna take it back to the way it was, because right now that just makes more sense, because these plugs aren't working and I don't want to like constantly move things around. But yeah, okay, let me actually take pictures. I think that might work better. Okay, so I know 100% I prefer it without the braid bin, so for now I'm just gonna put the braid bin over here. I feel like that doesn't make any sense. It'll make sense, but it will do. Yeah. And then this is how my island is looking. Nothing. I have no immediate plans for it. I think I'm just gonna leave it as is. I'm gonna move those things. Actually not. I'm gonna pack away those things. Yeah, I'm gonna pack those away.